Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
Hey, you're watching the Mark Stone Limited channel only on YouTube. That's right. Woo!
Hey guys, how's it going? Mark Stone here. I got a Sonic. I think right where. A Sonic 220, 240 volt personalised converter, model PCV-2236. Yeah. Made in Slovakia Republic. Yeah. But this weighs at least 12.5 kilos. So this has got a DVD/CD in that. Yeah. And that's just a DVD ROM. Yeah. And then that's the other bit. So yeah. It's pretty much, it's a goner. You might just tell, got straight down there, straight there, and then somehow it's got stickered. Yeah. Right to this video, yeah, I'm gonna put all rubbish in this cardboard box here. Yeah. There's the other PC monitor that I'm putting parts of scrapping, and I already took apart that. Plus, I got Chess, the cat. He'll be behind me today, but it will be in the part of the video when I move. But I'm going to take this apart. So, see there's any screws at the bottom. No, any screws on top, whatever, it's the back. So, I'm going to take apart this. I am not going to edit this video, set it for in the intro. Yeah. Let me bring this glass closer to put the screws in. So I'm just going to let this go as long as it can. I did have technically a few issues of when I yesterday on the 12th of tried to make a video, and I thought I already did one. Like on the 11th, I thought I did 2 videos, but I got mistaken on the 9th when I did 2 on the 9th and uploaded on the 9th and 10th. Then I thought I already did another one to put out on 11th, and yeah, and did that, and then I made one for 12, 11 and 12, and then I thought I already made a video, and I didn't. So I had to quickly do a quick update, upload the video on the 13th. I didn't upload till 12:30 in the morning, but sometimes it don't really matter what time it got uploaded. Yeah, since it got uploaded. Technically I could upload it any time, unless I do daily videos. But really, I like to try and get them out early. I like make the videos like, the day early. Like the following day I put them on is actually the day before. Yeah. I'm expecting 3 phone calls. I can't say when I get them. And I can't say they will happen or not. I can hear someone laughing off outside. I can hear someone laughing off outside my house. So yeah. So this, it's just like that. And so, don't know what's inside this. Looking at that, what's in at that side. That's why I looked on this side, because it's never on this side, it'll be on the other side. Can't see it there. So this does weigh 12, nearly enough 13 kilos. Look away. Less surprising than I thought, but I say most of it weights actually like that. So I think camera's down. So just give it cutters. Oh yeah, never know these fans. They get crap inside these. So let's look that in there. Yeah. Go for wire. Yeah. Let's cut some text. Expecting the phone call, but I've got text. But sorry guys, just give me a sec, just cut some better cable. cable, then I can have a look proper. That, you know, this flat. This gets all this cable out of my way, you see, and I can see this gets out of my way in a minute. See, there's only screws about, and I can't see much because too much cable in my way. You know, some of them must have got a flat tyre on the car, because it sound like when they attach it to your car, then seeing this on. So looking around now, since I cut some cable in off, I've got some screws here, I've got 4 here, 1 there, 2. So I just use this big one. Just putting my shirt down. So, but you can tell somebody just tapped me, I didn't know if you did hear something. But you see when I'm doing something, someone taps me. But when I'm not doing that, people are texting me. Yeah. Technically it's alright really, because but sometimes I hate when some people, when I ring them, but then they text me back a couple of seconds later going, "What's up, blah blah blah," and go. And I go, wow, you could at least when I answer the phone. Yeah, just take off the mostly screws what I can take off. That's what I can see. Yeah. So go on that. Got no one out. So yeah, I love taking stuff apart. There's another one. There's a bigger board. bit out of it. Right, I want to know what's older than that. Unless I just want another bit out. Keep that to one side just in case I might need to put title in. Like. I'll sort that out in a minute. Right. That's something important. Yeah, the board on it. Who's on that one? God knows. Just rip out some of these cables. So, so that. Right. Goes all this cable off. Right. Do not know what to do with my cable. I need to put my cable somewhere, but I don't know where to put my cable. So, this spins off. This. Let's go with these screws. Another little board. Another little board. God knows which way this is going to come out, if it does come out. So yeah. That's it. Yep. So yeah. No, say that. So if it's got a screwdriver, I'm gonna just do most of it off with a screwdriver. So this is the DVD one. So yeah, a lot of people do say, Mark, what's the point taking them apart? Because some people watch the videos and they find them boring. So well that's it. So well that's their opinion. If you don't like it, you don't like it. And I know how some people watch videos and then they skip them. And they go, oh, I like that video you did with taking that apart. And they go, oh, and then all of a sudden they just go, but they don't watch it all, because I could say something about somebody and then that person can come to me anyway and go, oh Mark, that's a very good video. And I'll go, do you know I just said something about you in that video? And the person goes, I don't really care. Yeah. And I go, you're not in trouble, I just said something about, I need some advice on you. But some people just don't watch them, you see. Oh boy. And a thin one. That's my thin one, there it is. That's my thin one. Yeah, that's potty. What are you doing? My thin one. The potty's up. This how many more, but there might be some good stuff on that, but guess what? I know some copper there. Unless still not small. But yeah. So yeah, a lot of people do go, "You videos are boring, Mark. Why can you not just make some better content instead of making stuff about you taking apart this, you taking apart that, you're collecting this, you're collecting that?" So well, and they go, "Well, am I making content?" Yeah. So yeah, I know I've got some copper inside of there. Put less on it. Sod it. So yeah, now that's the hard drive I've got here. Got two more. God knows how long this video is going to last, and if we run out of space, there'll be another part, but there's got to be anyway, because so using this on my mobile, it's lasted 26 minutes and 20 seconds now. But telling you, the intro will be about 29 minutes and yeah, about 13 minutes from now. Roughly 31 now. But one thing I hate with it, get it right, and then it starts slipping. Then you have to push it in harder, and then it starts acting up. One, two, three. Because all this has got to be out of it. This, I do this at my own time, guys, because it'll be like that. Just two. And then, yeah. Actually, I see here. Yeah. You get that. Because that bit there, this round bit, is that. Oh, that one too. Okay. So this out on it, and that was just behind this. There were a couple of magnets, but I kind of lend that to somebody, so I can't. And that it, and that it, and then that is actually on the other board. So I'll pick them off in a minute. So I do that at my own time. So technically it should got rid of that. Can't remember if it were. If it were. Because I had to remove the stickers. Got rid on it now. There you go. And there's and that's a magnet there. washer on it. Yeah. And that's the magnet. Take this bit of plastic off. If it will come off. Yeah, so that's the magnet there to prove it. Yeah. And then technically, I take that bit of copper wire off. It's simple. Grab. Get a grip on it without it moving. But then another magnet is this one here, there. This round bit here. Not the one I'm moving. This bit there. That's a magnet. But let's do it because it's a sudden thing. Yeah. Here we are. And then at my own time I'll just take that board off and then aluminium. Yeah.